This kanji had the reading of ongyumi, which means say kan, kan. Kungyumi, seki, seki. Kakawaru, kakawaru. This kanji had the meaning of connection, barrier, gateway, involve, concerning. So you have many meaning in this kanji. But what you have to remember, this kanji had the main meaning such as involve or concerning or connection. So when you translate to English, you should know what to translate, what to say. The next, let's see some sample. Genkan, genkan. Genkan is mean entrance, front door, entryway, entranceway, entrance, front door, entryway, entranceway. Next, zekang, zekang. Zekang is mean customs, customs house, customs or customs house. Kanshin, kanshin, kanshin is mean concern or interest. Kinyu kikan, kinyu kikan, kinyu kikan is mean financial institutions, banking facilities, banking facilities. The next, seki, seki, seki is mean barrier, gate, or mutual life. They have many meaning. Kakawaru, kakawaru, kakawaru is mean be affect, be influence, be concerned with, be affect, be influence, be concerned